guys. Hey guys, it is my...
Hey guys.
I'm gonna cut all that out. Stop. Hey guys. Today is my 18th birthday.
Birthday cut!
It's July 12th and
Yeah, baby!
I'm 18 today. So we're on our way to the beach. We're gonna hang out at the beach for a little bit and then we're gonna go to dinner. Got Adam over here, he's driving the Fiat.
Liz is in the back.
Liz is in the back.
Met this girl down by the vine, had long tan legs and big brown eyes. Seemed the type I would wanna make mine. She said, I can tell you're not my type. You're Mr. Wrong, I'm Mrs. Right. This could never be what you wanna be tonight.
And we're in the water and there's like a sand shark and now everyone's scared and they're all literally just standing around like outside of the water like looking for this shark. Smile. So I was walking and this guy saw that I had a metal straw and he was like, good job saving the turtles. And I literally felt so good about myself. Like, I don't know, it's not that hard to do like little good things. Like, you don't necessarily have to go and do a whole beach cleanup. Just do little things to like help the earth, you know?
Said, don't you worry, don't you.
Alright, so we left the beach. We're on our way back. We have to take Adam to his house and then we're gonna go back to my house and us girls, me and Liz, there she is, we're gonna get ready.
Stop riding my
Alright, so we're back from the beach. I don't have a ton of time to get ready, so I tried to save time by only washing my body in the shower. So I didn't wash my hair, and I'm just gonna curl it, and we're gonna see how that works, because I still want to look cute.
fire! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Open your mouth and catch it in your mouth. One, two. No crunch, bro. Oh no. One more happy, bro. You want to be in her vlog? Oh yeah, bro. Hello, girl. Happy birthday. I love you guys. Let me see. Oh. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Open your mouth, girl. Oh my god! Oh man!
12 o'clock midnight.
That was my 18th birthday, so I thought I would end the vlog here. Yeah, I had a really fun day. Thanks to everybody who gave me birthday wishes and who spent the last day or two with me. I had a ton of fun. And yeah, honestly, I thought I would feel a lot different once I turned 18, but I don't. Anyways, good night. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe.
Met this girl down by the vine, had long tan legs and big brown